please help me. Please go easy, easy on me. I can't believe it's so hard for me to see that I deserve this, deserve to feel happy now. So please go easy, please go easy. So hard to unlearn habits we got addicted to. I'm trying to change my